Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best baking gifts is probably one of the most delightful and thoughtful ways to show appreciation for the bakers in your life, offering a blend of practicality and fun that can elevate their culinary adventures and bring a smile to their faces with every creation. Whether they're seasoned pros or enthusiastic beginners, the right baking gift can inspire new recipes, simplify complex techniques, or simply add a touch of joy to their kitchen routine, making every baking session a more enjoyable and rewarding experience. Number 5. KPKitchen Pancake Batter Dispenser, Purple. Introducing the ultimate kitchen tool for perfect pancakes, cupcakes, waffles, and more. This dispenser makes creating your favorite baked goods a breeze, ensuring a mess-free experience every time. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free ABS plastic, this dispenser is built to last. Its dishwasher-safe design means cleanup is as simple as a quick rinse. Our reinforced pulley handle ensures this dispenser won't break, even with frequent use. The fail-safe valve prevents leaks, keeping your hands and kitchen spotless. Achieve consistent results with every squeeze. This dispenser takes the guesswork out of portion control, making perfect pancakes, funnel cakes, and more effortless. From waffles and crepes to muffin mix and even pizza sauce, this dispenser handles it all. Easily adjust batter consistency for perfect results on your griddle or waffle iron. We're confident you'll love this kitchen gadget. Enjoy a stress-free purchase with our 3-year guarantee and a complimentary recipe ebook. What we like. This batter dispenser is designed for ultimate convenience and consistency. Its mess-free pouring and portion control features make it ideal for anyone who wants perfect pancakes every time without the usual kitchen chaos. If you're tired of uneven batter distribution or messy drips, this is the tool for you. What people say. The apron is adjustable and fits most adults. The rolling pin has a comfortable grip and is easy to use. The cookie cutters are made of durable stainless steel and come in various fun shapes. Number 4. OTOTO Nessie Ladle. Introducing Nessie, your new kitchen friend from OTOTO Studio. This adorable ladle is designed to bring fun and functionality to your cooking. Easily scoop soups and gravies from your pot and serve them with a smile. It's a practical utensil that adds a touch of whimsy to every meal. Looking for unique gifts or funny kitchen gadgets? This ladle's charming Loch Ness design adds a playful touch to any kitchen decor. It's perfect for serving all your favorite dishes. Don't let its cute appearance fool you. This kitchen tool is built to last, being heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Nessie is always on standby, ready to assist you while you cook and serve. If you love animal-shaped utensils, you'll adore this one. At OTOTO, we believe in creating home products with a quirky twist. Our fun and functional designs are here to make everyday chores more enjoyable. What we like. Add a touch of whimsy to your kitchen with this charming ladle. It's perfect for serving soups and gravies with a smile, and its heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe features make it as practical as it is adorable. If you love unique kitchen gadgets that bring joy to everyday tasks, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This is a great gift for anyone who loves to bake. The apron is made of good quality material and is very durable. The rolling pin is also very well made and easy to use. Number 3. OTOTO Red the Crab 2-in-1 Spoon Rest and Steam Releaser. Introducing Red, the Crab, a unique kitchen gadget designed to make your cooking experience easier. This helpful companion is ready to lend a claw in the kitchen. This silicone spoon rest is designed to handle the heat and mess of cooking. Its sturdy claws securely hold your utensils, keeping your countertops clean and stress-free. Looking for a unique gift? This quirky ladle and spoon holder is ideal for home cooks, bakers, and grill masters. It's a fun and functional addition to any kitchen. Made from food-grade silicone, it's durable and safe for all your cooking needs. This multifunctional holder is a staple for maintaining a tidy cooking space. This durable silicone holder not only rests your utensils but also acts as a steam releaser. It grips pot lids securely, ensuring a safe and enjoyable cooking process. OTOTO Studio believes in making everyday chores more enjoyable with functional and quirky designs. This product brings a sprinkle of fun and magic to your kitchen. What we like. This clever kitchen gadget offers both a spoon rest and a steam releaser, simplifying your cooking process. Its heat-resistant silicone design can handle high temperatures and keep your stovetop clean. If you're looking for a multifunctional tool that adds a fun, practical element to your cooking and baking, this crab-shaped helper is a great pick. What people say. The apron is made of a durable, waterproof material that is easy to clean. The set includes a variety of useful baking tools, such as spatulas, whisks, and measuring cups. The Funny Baking Gifts branding is subtle and stylish, adding a touch of personality to the kitchen. Number 2. OTOTO Splatypus Jar Spatula. Introducing Splatypus, the friendly jar spatula designed to make scooping and scraping a joy. Crafted by the award-winning studio OTOTO, it's a unique and fun addition to any kitchen. This isn't just a fun gadget, it's a peanut butter spoon that reaches every corner of the jar. You can say goodbye to wasted jam and hello to full enjoyment. Looking for a unique gift? Splatypus is the perfect quirky present for anyone who loves to cook or enjoys fun kitchen tools. Add a sprinkle of happiness to their day. Made from 100% BPA-free, food-grade silicone, it's dishwasher safe and heat-resistant. You can trust its gentle, slim design for all your spreading needs. When hunger strikes, this utensil works its way from bottom to top, ensuring you enjoy every last drop. It's perfect for meal preps and adding the right amount of jam to your toast. Its adorable design makes using it a unique experience. This spatula is easy to clean, heat-resistant, and food-safe, bringing fun to everyday chores. What we like? Get every last drop from your jars with this uniquely designed spatula. Its flexible silicone and ability to reach every nook and cranny make it perfect for peanut butter, jam, and more. If you appreciate kitchen tools that are both functional and fun, and want to minimize food waste, this is an excellent addition to your collection. What people say. This is a great gift for anyone who loves to bake. The design is cute and the quality is good. It is a perfect addition to any kitchen. Number 1. OTOTO Shelly Measuring Spoon Set. Introducing Shelly, the adorable snail-shaped measuring cups and spoon set. It's designed to bring fun and precision to your baking adventures. With Shelly by your side, measuring ingredients becomes a delightful experience. Turn every recipe into a masterpiece with ease. Looking for a unique gift? This durable snail-shaped set is perfect for cooking and baking enthusiasts. It's a gift that keeps on giving. These measuring cups and spoons stack neatly to save space and add a touch of charm. Plus, they're dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Enjoy convenient dual-sided measurements for both dry and liquid ingredients. No need for multiple tools, achieve precise results every time. OTOTO creates functional products with a whimsical twist. Let Shelly add a sprinkle of fun and magic to your everyday kitchen tasks. What we like? Measure ingredients with precision and charm using this adorable snail-shaped set. It offers dual-sided measurements for both dry and liquid ingredients, and stacks neatly to save space. If you're looking for a practical yet whimsical measuring tool that makes baking more enjoyable, this set is a delightful choice. What people say. This is a cute and funny apron that fits well and is made of good quality material. The design is hilarious and the print is very durable. It has held up through multiple washes without fading. It's a great conversation starter and the pockets are surprisingly deep, holding utensils and small tools easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.